Occasional criminals. Though criminologists are not certain, they suspect that the great majority of economic crimes are the work of amateur criminals whose decision to steal is spontaneous and whose acts are unskilled, unplanned, and haphazard. Millions of theft related crimes occur each year, and most are not reported to police agencies. Many of these theft offenses are committed by school age youths who are unlikely to enter into a criminal career and whose behavior has been described as drifting between conventional and criminal behavior. Added to the pool of amateur thieves are the millions of adults whose behavior may occasionally violate the criminal law. Shoplifters, pilferers, tax cheats, but whose main source of income comes from conventional means and whose self identity is non criminal. Added together, their behaviors from the bulk of theft crimes. John Hepburn. According to John Hepburn, occasional property crime occurs when there is an opportunity or situational inducement to commit crime. Opportunities are available to members of all classes, but members of the upper class have the opportunity to engage in the more lucrative business related crimes of price fixing, bribery, and embezzlement, and so on, which are closed to the lower classes. Hence, lower class individuals are overrepresented in street crime. Situational inducements are short run influences on a person's behavior that increase risk taking. These include psychological factors such as financial problems and social factors such as peer pressure. According to Hepburn, opportunity and situational inducements are not the cause of crime. Rather, they are the occasion for crime. Hence, the term occasional criminal. It seems evident that opportunity and inducement are not randomly situated. Consequently, the frequency of occasional property crime varies according to age, class, sex, and so on. Occasional offenders are not professional criminals, nor do they make crime their occupation. They do not rely on skills or knowledge to commit their crimes. They do not organize their daily activities around crime. And they are not committed to crime as a way of life. Occasional criminals have little group support for their acts. Unlike professionals, they do not receive informal peer group support for their crimes. In fact, they will deny any connection to a criminal lifestyle and instead view their transgressions as being out of character. They may see their crimes as being motivated by necessity. For example, they were only borrowing the car the police caught them with. They were going to pay back the store they stole merchandise from. Because the lack of commitment, occasional offenders may be the most likely to respond to the general deterrent effect of the law. Thank you for listening.